This is a PikMyKid tutorial video, and I want to help you navigate how to announce when you're here to pick up your child and how you delegate someone else to pick up your child or change the mode by which they're going to pick up. So I'll just show you that with this quick video. So if you're here to pick up your child, or you're just going to go down onto the bottom of the screen, and there are two people holding hands that says pickup. You'll click on that, and you have to make sure your location services are turned on. There's a geofence around the school, and so the app has to be able to access your location services. But once you're physically here and you can actually see it's lit up and it says on campus, so that's because I'm recording this at the school. But if it was time to announce and the appropriate pickup time, then this announce button would be live, and I would just click on it, and that would announce and tell my teacher that I'm here, I'm in line, and that my kids are ready to be picked up. But if I need to, and I have to change who is picking up my child or how they're going home, you have to do that per child. So I'm going to click on a child, and I'll click on Hudson here at the top, and they can see that the date is today. The date is highlighted. And I'm going to hit change pickup here where it says schedule for October 22nd. This is what you would normally see. I'm going to hit change pickup, and if you wanted to repeat this, someone's going to be picking up the child all the time, you would just set this for repeat. This is a one-off, and I'm going to, in this case, someone else is going to pick them up physically at the school, so I'll hit, in this video down here, select parent, park, and pickup. That's our walkout at Summit. And then it's not me, so I need to select who is picking them up. I already have people listed in my contacts, but if I didn't, go to the top right-hand corner where the little person with the plus sign is, and that's how I will add a person. You need to enter their information, their cell phone number and email address, and then they will get a text asking them to register. In this case, we're going to see Vicky Forrest selected. Change, hit confirm. All of this really helps Summit's elementary team understand what's happening in the end of the day. So we do have parameters set that you're unable to make these changes after 12 p.m. So if you're going to make a change on any given day as to who's picking up the child, or if they're walk-up or drive-through, you need to do that before 12 p.m. every day. I know that's a lot of technology that's coming your way, and it takes a little time to develop it, but we're really proud of our Summit parents and the way they're adopting this technology. So thank you. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to the school, or for 24/7 support, you can email support@pikmykid.com.